listening, I've had my doubts, denying every tear. I wish this would be over now, but I know that I still need you here. You say I'm crazy to call home all of my change. What would I do without your smart mouth, drawing me in and you kicking me out? Got my head spinning, no kidding, I can't pin you down. What's going on in that beautiful mind? I'm your magical mystery ride, and I'm so dizzy, don't know what hit me, but I'll be alright. My head's under water, but I'm breathing fine. You're crazy and I'm out of my mind, 'cause all of me loves all of you. Love your curves and all your edges, love your perfect imperfections. Give your all to spend.
I can hold my breath, I can bite my tongue, I can stay awake for days if that's what you want. Be your number one. I can fake a smile, I can force a laugh, I can dance and play the part, that's what you ask. Give you all I am. I can do it, I can do it, I can do it, but I'm only human.
On you.
Body girls, don't get hurt, can't feel anything. When will I learn? I push it down, push it down. I'm the one for a good time call, phone's blowing up, ringing my doorbell. I feel the love, feel the love. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. Throw 'em back till I can't count. I'm gonna swing from the chandelier, from the chandelier. I'm gonna live like tomorrow doesn't exist, like it doesn't exist. I'm gonna fly like a bird through the night, feel my tears as they dry. I'm gonna swing from the chandelier, from the chandelier.
Where are the times gone, baby? It's all. Hello. Lately I've been losing sleep, dreaming about the things that we could be. But baby, I've been praying hard. Said no more counting dollars, we'll be counting stars. Yeah, we'll be counting the stars. I see this life like a swinging vine. Swing my heart across the line. In my face is flashing signs. Stick it out and you're still fine. Old, but I'm not that old. Young, but I'm not that bold. I don't think the world is sold. I'm just doing what we told. Where are the plans we made for two? Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be.